Hello friends. In today's video, I'm going to introduce an app to you. In this app, you can replace the faces in GIFs with your face. That's really funny, isn't it? So let's get started. The app's name is Doublicat. I found this app really funny. I replaced my face in many GIFs. That was so much fun. I really wanted one more feature in this app, so you can import photos from your storage. I hope we will get this in next updates. There is also a fun quiz option in this app. This feature is used to find out your twin characters in movies and series. I really recommend you to try this app. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.